Hey everyone, welcome to my desk. It's Laura Lawrence from Intrepid Careers, and in my last video I told you that I would show you how to create a customized LinkedIn URL. Well, in this video we're going to do it. So if you have a LinkedIn page, then pop that sucker open, and if you don't already, then go sign up for one and let's start with a fresh page. Now I'm going to share my screen with you, so maybe pop them side by side so you can do it as we work, and you can just kind of pause and play the video as it suits you, and you're going to see how easy it really is. All right, so this is my LinkedIn profile, and I'm going to show you now how to customize your LinkedIn URL. Now, obviously, I'm going to be blurring out some sections of my LinkedIn profile just for confidentiality reasons. However, if you go over to the top right-hand side, you will see Edit Public Profile and URL. Now, we're going to click on that, and another tab will open up. In this tab, on the same spot on the top right-hand side, it will say personalize the URL for your profile. Now you're going to click that little blue pencil looking thing, and you can personalize it to almost whatever you want. There are some restrictions. Now, some of those restrictions are, your custom URL must contain between 3 and 100 letters or numbers. Please do not use spaces, symbols, or special characters. So nothing too crazy, but it could be something like, Mary's Donuts or something like that, or whatever you want, right? But, in this case, I'm actually just going to hit cancel because I do like it that it does have my business name in it, which is Intrepid Careers. Now, I use this on everything that I possibly can that's relevant. So I use it on my email signatures. I use it on my website even. I think I use it on my website, on my bio maybe. I use it on my cards, which is very important for branding. I actually also have my QR code for LinkedIn on there, and I will talk about that in a future video too. And more importantly, for a lot of you who are watching, you can use this in your resume, and you can put it at the top of your resume, and it will really help you stand out to recruiters and hiring managers. So I highly recommend it. It does make you look very polished and very professional. Now, if you have any more questions about how to utilize LinkedIn, please do leave them in the comments, and I can make the next video all about that. Thanks so much for watching, and please, if you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe for future content.